Whoa, look at this sand. I really like sand, so I'm gonna just keep looking until I find the perfect sand.
8-year-old STEM student Araya Miller is building her dream home, and she has it all planned out.
I'm gonna do this, and definitely this. Wait, no, I have to do a massive playground.
Oh, you have a ball pit
Yeah, lots
and a
of them.
playground and a sand area.
Yeah, and a pool and a hot tub.
This is Lauren Swihart's 3rd grade class at STEM School Highlands Ranch, and the Dream Home project the students are working on is an example of a PBL, also known as problem-based learning, which is a unique educational model that sets the school apart from others.
It starts off with the students designing their own dream home, beginning with the floor plan, and they're given a certain set of requirements of a certain number of rooms, and then they can just kind of go crazy. They're very creative. So we have things like trampoline rooms and ball pit rooms and hidden bunkers and rocket launchers, and so that part is a lot of fun.
But it's more than just a fun project. These students are learning multiplication and how it applies to a real-world situation, because their dream home requires an understanding of square footage, materials, and cost.
If it's $4 per square foot and your room is 100 square feet, how many dollars is that going to cost? $400, right? It's a lot better than just giving them a worksheet where they solve a list of math problems. It's really much more relevant, much allows them to be creative, take ownership, and I find that a lot of the students are really challenging themselves in ways I haven't seen before. They really want to dive into this project and make it their own.
The students use Google Sheets to help create their floor plan. Then comes the design phase, finding materials online.
And this is going to give your feet a nice way. And I really like these laminate forms, so I put them there. And this carpeting is perfect for the hallway.
Students like Araya don't have to look far for inspiration. Right outside the classroom window sits a row of newer homes where professional designers and architects applied the same mathematics that this class is learning.
Do you think you might want to be a designer someday?
Yeah.
The reason I like this project so much is that it just goes beyond worksheets and solving equations. It really makes it relatable to the kids and allows for that kind of a creativity and autonomy in their own learning. It allows them to really challenge themselves and go beyond just solving a random math problem. They can really make those connections to things that people are doing out there in the field in their careers.
Dream homes for students who are wasting no time chasing their dream careers.
It's really perfect for when I'm an adult because I know a lot of people, and I actually have a lot of relatives that own houses with this stuff in it.